In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reposition your side panel on Google Chrome in just a few quick steps. This is a really simple customization, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and efficient Chrome feels for you. Whether you prefer your side panel on the left or on the right, I'll walk you through exactly how to change it. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main menu where you can access Chrome settings and other tools. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. Now you'll be taken to the Chrome settings page. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click Appearance. This section controls how Chrome looks and behaves visually, including the side panel placement. Once you're on the Appearance page, scroll until you find the side panel section. Here, you'll see the option to choose where you want your side panel to appear. If you want it on the right side of the browser, select Show on the right. If you'd rather have it on the left, select Show on the left. As soon as you click your preferred option, the change will apply instantly across all open Chrome windows. There's no need to restart the browser or save anything manually, and that's it. Your Chrome side panel is now repositioned exactly where you want it. It's a small change, but it can help make your browsing experience feel a lot more organized and personalized. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Chrome tips and computer how-to guides, and I'll see you in the next one.